Hi everyone, welcome back to another Koala Go tutorial. I'm Fred and today I'll be showing both you and your students how to move around in the Koala Go Playground using an iPad. Awesome, let's get straight to it. So to move around, all I have to do is tap my screen and my avatar should move in the direction where I want them to go. So when I tap, my avatar just moves in that direction. Now let me tap and let's go to the rhyming house. And I'll show you another way to move around using an iPad in Koala Go. Awesome. So this is the rhyming house. But then, in order to see within the rhyming house, we have to go to first person view, which is the mini eyeball icon at the bottom of my screen. So once I click this, my avatar now sees things in first person view. Now, if you realize, a mini circle has appeared at the bottom left corner of our screen. Now, what is this circle? This circle is basically your joystick, which you can use to move around in first person view. So, when I stretch the joystick, my avatar moves in that direction. Awesome. So using the joystick or the mini circle at the bottom left corner, your avatar can move in any direction which you want them to go. And now, how do I adjust the view? Let me show you how this works. So, in order to change your avatar's view in first person mode, all you have to do is use your finger to drag across your screen and your avatar should turn in the direction which you want them to turn in. So let's try that again. I'm swiping my finger from right to left. So my avatar switches that direction from right to left without moving. But if I want them to move right, then I use the joystick at the bottom left corner to move my avatar in the right direction like this. Awesome. So let me change the view once more and look towards the back like this. And then I'll use my joystick to move forward and my avatar should move forward like that. Awesome. Now let's figure out how to jump in the playground. In order to jump, I just have to click on the jump icon at the bottom right corner of my screen and my avatar should jump up like this, and we can jump over anything we want. So everyone, that's how to move around in the playground. And for a brief explanation once again, in order to move in first person view, use your joystick to drag in any direction which you want your avatar to go in, and to turn around or to switch view, just swipe your finger across the screen, maybe from left to right like I'm doing right now, and your avatar should be able to look around without moving it. Awesome. And once again, to move in third person view, click where you want your avatar to go like that. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Happy teaching, and to the students, happy learning. Bye everyone.